I don't know what I'm doing. What's this? It looks like a fortune. Question. Why is the 7 key on the keyboard so afraid? Because the 8 is near. That's wonderful. This is a Duroc Black Lotus 63.5 gram linear PCB mount lubed. Nice. Day number 1. Out of focus as usual. This is such a pretty switch. I like it a lot. Okay. You go back in the calendar. Stay safe. Till tomorrow. Alrighty, so it is technically already December 2nd, so I can open day 2 of this advent calendar. And let's see, right here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, focus. Focus, please. Okay. Alright. Let's see, what does the slip say today? The slip says moisturize your hands, Crystal. Okay, what is this? I introduced my mouse to my keyboard today. It was awkward at first, but then they just clicked. Yep, gotta love those clicky ones. This is the Cherry MX Clear 65 gram tactile switch plate mount. That is day 2. Gotta love these dad jokes. Oh. Oh, focus. I almost forgot. Ooh. I like the way that feels. Nice. Until tomorrow. Okay, so it's 4 in the morning on day 3, and I'm still awake. Oh, cute. Ooh. Come on, focus, please. Ooh. Yay. Okay. Whoops. What are keys to happiness? Oh. Yeah, parentheses and a colon. This is the Gateron Cap V2 Milky Yellow 50G linear PCB mount. Lovely. Filming this real quick before I go to work this morning. See, what day are we on? We're on day 4. It's December 4th. Oh no, it went the other way. Okay, let's see what this is today. Ooh, green. fancy. Oh, it's clicky. We know I like those clicky ones. Get this out of here. What's the dad joke today? I want anarchy because my keyboard is missing one. Okay. And this is a Cherry MX Green 80 gram clicky switch plate mount. That is day 4. Day 5. Oh, that's a pretty switch. I came into the office early and switched as many M and N keys on keyboards as I could. Some might say I'm a monster. Others will say nomster. This is the Kale Polia 60 gram tactile plate mount. Well, my alarm just messed up this video. Put this back in here. Oops, got the switch. That goes back in there too. Here I was thinking I wouldn't have to edit today. Alrighty then, it is time for day 8 of this advent calendar. Right, yeah, because yesterday was day 7. What is in here today? Oh, a box switch. Okay. I like it. Very cool. I really like that. Oh, it fell back in there. Ah! Okay. Come on. I don't want to have to edit another video. Okay. The joke for today. I left my job at the keyboard factory today. To be honest, I had been looking for an escape for a while. This is Kale White Owl V2 46 gram clicky PCB mount. Day 8. It's a good one. It is now December 9th, so it's time for day 9 of this advent calendar. Oh, what do we have here? Whoops. It is black and brown switch. Oh. And the joke for today is, I'm really obsessed with the F1 key on my keyboard. I'm trying to get help. And this is a Cherry MX Brown Hyperglide 45 gram tactile PCB mount. Could feel a little bit tactile. And that is day 9. See you tomorrow. Alrighty, it is day 10. Let's see what we have today. Oh. We have this. Today's joke is, I was dating a keyboard, but we had to break up. She just wasn't my type. And this switch is a Gateron Clear 35 gram linear plate mount. That is it for day 10. I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay, I think today is day 11, so let's get into this advent calendar and find out what the gift is for today. Ew! Ooh. What is it? Wait a minute. There's two in here? What? Okay, well, first there's this one. And then there's this one. Whoa! Doesn't want to come back out. Clear switch. Seems a little bit heavier. Oh, well, one dad joke, which is, why are boy keyboards scared of girl keyboards? Because they don't want to get QWERTYs. I am going to have to edit today, but is this, what is this? We've got Zeal PC 62 gram blue Xilinx V2 switches, PCB mount, silent tactile. Well, there's two kinds here? Okay, sure. Let's go with that. I'm confused. And this is going to be a longer video, but nice. Two switches. Okay. Nothing to complain about, I suppose. Just a lot of confusion. Was not expecting there to be two in there. All right. See you tomorrow. It is currently December 12th, so it's time for our next surprise in this advent calendar. Oh, one switch today. This is, oh, it's an interesting looking switch. I like the colors, black and red. Dad joke for today, on day 12, is, oh, question, how do you make a computer keyboard sad? Insert, you make the key depressed. And this is, what kind of a switch? A Cherry MX red switches, plate mount linear. Day 13, let's see what is inside. Oh, there we go. Probably just ruined my nails. Whatever. Ooh, pretty. Oh, nice box switch. Box switch. Also, yeah, my nails aren't that great. Oh, whatever. So far, I'm really liking box switches. Okay, what is in here? There it is. Come on. Dad joke for the day. I took all the punctuation marks off the judge's keyboard. I expect a long sentence. This is a Kale Box glazed green 45 gram clicky plate mount switch. Until tomorrow. Alright, so today is the 14th. Let's see what we have today's for the advent calendar. What do we have here? Oh, it's all black. Okay. And it's the joke today. I always love pressing F5 on my keyboard. It's so refreshing. This is a Cherry MX black 60 gram linear switch plate mount. That was day 14. See you tomorrow. Day 15, we are halfway through the month, more than halfway through this advent calendar. And what do we have for today? Oh, another box switch. Nice, nice. Okay, I think box switches are my favorite. This is... Oh. Q. Question. Where do keyboards go to get a drink? A for answer. The space bar. And this is a Kailh Box Jade 50-gram clicky plate mount switch. I already knew I liked these ones. That is it for today. We will see you tomorrow. Another day gone by, time for another switch. And it's day 16. This kitchen scene here. Oh, well, let's take the joke out first. Two things out of order today. Question. What key on the keyboard is truly out of this world? The spacebar. Similar to yesterday's joke. The switch that is in here is Cherry MX Blue 60-gram clicky switch plate mount RGB switch. Because that's what it tells me it is. Is this the RGB switch though? Oh, yep, I hear the ping. That's it for today's switch. I shall see you tomorrow. I cannot believe that it's already the 17th of December. But let's see what we've got this morning. Oh, let me get this switch out of here. Waha! It is an interesting looking switch. Let's see, joke for today. Question. What keyboard macro is used to get a cat on a computer? Answer. Tab plus E. Tabby. Okay. And this switch today is a TTC Gold Pink 37-gram linear plate mount lubed switch. See you tomorrow. Today is the 18th, the Monday before Christmas. Oh, wait, is it the 18th? Did I do yesterday? Is it the 17th? I don't know what day it is. Well, today we're doing the 17th, and this is the switch that's in there, I think. Wait, no, this is... No, I already did that. Ah, it is the 18th. It was stuck. Okay, debated. Well, this is the switch that's in there today. It's one of these, whatever these are. And the joke for today is me. No, question. What's the sketchiest button combo on a computer keyboard? Answer, Shift plus T, Shifty. And this is Durock Koala 67-gram tactile PCB mount switch. I will see you tomorrow. Alright, it is day 19, and I'm filming in a completely different spot because I forgot to film this morning while everyone was still asleep. Okay, we're day 19. There it is. Let's focus. Oh, that's cute. Alright, is this here? Black and white switch. And today's joke. Waiting for my keyboard to arrive makes me super impatient, even a little antsy. And this switch is a Durock Piano Palm 63.5-gram linear PCB mount switch. That is the switch for today. Got just a few more days left. I'll see you tomorrow. Day 20. What do we have for day 20? We have this switch, whatever it is. It's all black. Very cool. And what is the info? La 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 la. got fired from my job at the keyboard factory. I couldn't keep the space clean. And this is a, ooh, it is, Gateron Oil King 55 gram linear PCB mount lubed switch. I was wondering if I'd see one of those in there. Alright, just a couple more days. See you tomorrow. Alright, it is day 21, and I'd like to see what switch is in the advent calendar today. Behind this chair. It is a pretty colored one. You can get it back out. There we go. Oh, that's nice. I like this. Doesn't feel too odd. And the joke today is, question, what type of blood does a keyboard have? A type O. Answer, type O. And this is, oh, an MK Holy Llama 55 gram tactile PCB mount switch Frozen Llama series. That's it for today. We've got 3 more days. I will see you tomorrow. Another day, another location, because I woke up late and lost my recording window. But here we are on day 22 behind this bookshelf, and oh, we've got another pretty blue switch. Ooh. Very cool. It's a very loud clock in the background. Poppy. And this joke for today is I was fired from the keyboard factory. They said I wasn't putting in enough shifts. And the type of switch this is a TTC bluish-white 42 gram tactile plate mount lubed switch. That's it for today. We've got just the 23rd and the 24th left, and then we'll be done with the advent calendar. See you tomorrow. Hello everybody, it is time for day 23, Christmas Eve. The other side of this bookshelf over here. Oh, what is, oh, almost can't see it. Ooh. This is nice. It almost looks like it glows in the dark. What kind of joke we've got today. I've got no home, I haven't got control, and I can't see any escape. I should get a new keyboard. And this is a Cherry MX Ergo Clear 40 gram tactile switch PCB mount RGB switch. It's not too bad. You know I like my clicky switches, but this would definitely fit with my setup. I will see you tomorrow on Christmas Eve, the last day. Today is the very last day of this advent calendar. It is December 24th, and I hope you had fun watching these videos. Let's see, what is this in here? Oh my goodness. Ooh! It's a keychain! How fun. Let's go! Oh, that's such a pretty looking switch in there. I love that. Oh. What does it say in here? The joke, the last joke. My wireless keyboard isn't working. I guess I need to repair it. And this in here is Gateron Ink Blue V2 75 gram clicky PCB mount switch. I guess I won't be seeing you tomorrow, but I guess maybe I'll see you online. Take care, everyone. Merry Christmas.